Indian Railways revamped strategy for station redevelopment, unlocking business opportunities worth 30,000 crore. ICRA expects that EPC companies will have business opportunities worth 30,000 crore in the next 2 years from the redevelopment of railway stations. Indian Railways is considering a total of 1,318 railway stations for redevelopment under the Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. Initially, the government planned to implement most station redevelopment projects through the Public-Private Partnership (PPP) model, which was expected to contribute around 12% to the National Monetization Pipeline (NMP) target. However, due to limited participation in PPP projects, caused by pricing restrictions, market risks associated with real estate development, and the lack of a strong track record in railway PPPs, the government shifted to an engineering, procurement, and construction EPC model for station redevelopment in December 2022. To support this transition, the budget allocation increased significantly, from 2,159 crore in FY 2023 to 15,511 crore in the FY 2025 budget estimates B, and is expected to remain robust in the medium term. Railway station redevelopment under Amrit Bharat Station Scheme with EPC strategy. ICRA now anticipates that the EPC companies will now have business opportunities worth 30,000 crore over the next 2 years related to this railway station redevelopment. Vinay Kumar G, Sector Head for Corporate Ratings at ICRA, highlighted that while competition remains high in traditional sectors like roads and buildings, the redevelopment of railway stations presents significant growth opportunities for construction companies, estimated at 30,000 crore. This sector offers a chance for companies to expand and reduce risks by diversifying. Amrit Bharat Station Scheme, airport-like facilities for passengers at Madurai Junction, multi-level parking, modern air concourse and much more. Over the past 2 years, station redevelopment project tenders have seen moderate competition, with discounts reaching up to 18%, and the median discount being around 4%. This trend is similar to other railway EPC projects, where the median discount is around 5%. Given that Indian Railways is a reliable counterparty, the receivable cycle is expected to be short, comparable to that of the National Highways Authority of India (NHAI). Which railway stations are included under the EPC model? The key railway stations awarded redevelopment under the EPC model include Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminal CSMT, Ahmedabad, Surat, Prayagraj, Bangalore Cant, Chennai Egmore, and Secunderabad, among others. Additionally, tenders for 765 more stations are still pending, with notable stations like New Delhi, Pune, Borivali, Mumbai Central, Thane, and Amritsar yet to be awarded.
Thanks for watching.